Stop by and take a look at the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener. Come see the car for yourself.